it's very important to provide the common questions that a product have, or the pain points, common pain points. Those are the things that you have to put forward, and it need to be easy to find for the customer. In this example, let's assume I'm going for a hiking trip. I'm looking for a flask, and it need to be compact, and it need to hold a temperature for 12 hours. So those are the 2 points I'm looking for. These are in my mind as a customer. And I come to this listing, I'm looking for the size to see. So it's not been mentioned here. It's not mentioned here. The capacity is mentioned, but not the size. It's not mentioned anywhere in the bullet points or in the A+ content. It is there at the bottom, technical details, the size and the weight. And the second thing, one of the main function of the flask is to hold temperature for X amount of hours. And we measure that performance in terms of hours. If you hold 12 hours, 24 hours. So a good performing one will hold up to 48 hours, for example, right? But in this case, it's not there. It's not on the title how long it's gonna, in the performance, it's not been mentioned, for example. Not over here. Again, not here. Customers are not gonna spend this much time looking for that, the main things. They're just gonna leave the listing and buy some other product. And in this case, it's not here. How long it's gonna hold, it's not here again. It's not on the technical details. It is here somewhere in the video, halfway through the video. You can see that it's going to hold 24 hours of heat or cold. Again, these are the information that you need to put forward at the front. These are the common pain points and common questions that a normal buyer will have. And it's easy to find those questions or pain points. What you can do, you can scroll down to your product reviews, and you can just copy it and drop it down to a ChatGPT, and then prompt it to come up with those pain points and common questions. Again, you can answer that if it's relevant. And the second way to get some questions, there is a nice website called Answer the Public. I think with the free account, you're able to use up to three searches. If I look into the flaws, you can see there are a lot of information, a lot of questions, basically where, which, who. You can look into all these questions and see which one is relevant to your product, and make sure that you answer those questions in your listing. Again, all these things will increase your conversion going forward, right? That's one of the main things that you want to do. Anyways, don't want to drag it longer, but you got the idea. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks a lot.